Welcome. We got some very interesting stuff that's happening in the last couple of months. It is 2018, and I want you guys to stay as up to date as possible on some of the latest and greatest things that we're seeing working. So let's take a look. So number one, we're actually been testing this a lot, and it's messenger ads. Now, with the messenger platform, you guys already know that you have your emails that you're going to be sending out to your people, and you can also send out messages through the messenger platform. So I'm going to show you something real quick inside of ClickFunnels, and just bear with me. I'm going to open this up for us. Action funnels. Okay. And I'll just open up my leads action so you guys can see this. Okay. All right. Notice when I'm sending this out to people, my open rate's 27%, 56%, but this was because it's customized to a specific rule parameter. But email number 2, 17%. Email number 3, 17%. Email number 4, 16%. Email number 5, 15%. So you guys are understanding how my percentage levels for emails is going out is no more than close to 20%. Not a lot, right? However, if you look inside of our Messenger platform, I'll show you this one. Look at the comparison. Open rates, first one is 98%, 97% after 2 days, 97% after 10 minutes after that, 96% after 4 days, 95% after 6 days, 91% after 9 days, 88% after 10 days, and 83% after 12 days. So open rates are staying within the 90% range. 90% range. So it's important that whenever we are acquiring a lead, whether it's through a program or even whether it's through a lead magnet, we are going to need to try testing out getting that opt-in through the messenger, because you got your lead on your email, and that's great, but only a certain small percentage of them will even see that email. So there's so much left on the table. However, if you get them acquired through this messenger platform, that's more exposure that they're going to get. They're going to consume more of your content through what you're sending them. And therefore, you're going to be able to warm them up even more prior to closing them as a customer. So that's kind of what we want to aim for. That's why it's very valuable, especially now, to get this going. Um, this isn't just about using this because it's brand new and it's the new kid on the block. It's cool and all that. This is not about. It's about how effective it is and has been. Um, but you still can't treat this as an email because it's not an email. It's an instant messenger platform, and that platform, instead of an email being one to many, like we've always been used to doing, it's one to one personalized. We can personalize this as a one to one, and when you're writing your messages, you're gonna have to make sure you're writing it to one person. Even if you're writing it to everyone, you have to assume that you're writing it to just one person. That's the mentality you have to have. So what I want to show you right now is how to send out a broadcast. You guys might know how to send out a broadcast, and if you don't, I'm going to show you how to do that within ManyChat. So the first thing you need to do is when you go into ManyChat, it's going to put you at your dashboard, right? Now I'm on my dashboard. My subscriber list isn't that high yet because I'm still now just getting used to it. However, it will be high, super high. However, now we're in the dashboard. You're going to want to go to broadcasting. And if you send an email broadcast to everybody, you need to send a bot broadcast to everybody. It's just the same thing. You got to do it. You got to keep it on the emails, keep it on the bots too. Now, whatever you write on the email doesn't have to be as long as you write on the bot. It should be a shorter, more consumable version because you don't want to have them read a whole story because many people, that's not what Messenger platform is all about. Um, so let's do this. You're going to create a new broadcast, okay? And then you're going to type your content here. Okay, I'm going to actually send this video out on through a broadcast, so I'm going to type what I'm going to say. Okay. I want to waste the whole video on typing something, but this is what I typed. I'm going to be sending to you guys. So, once I've done sending that, I can upload that video here. And obviously I can't upload the video now because I'm doing the video. But if I was to upload that video here, let me just close that out real quick. I'm going to click on Go Next. Okay. Now you can select a subscription broadcast, a promotional broadcast, or follow-up broadcast too. It just depends. You can do either one. Um, Subscription broadcasts can't contain ads or promotional material, but can be sent at any time, regardless of the time passed. So if you're giving value, then you can use a subscription broadcast. Promotional, obviously, these broadcasts can contain ads if you want to do that. Follow-up broadcast, at the end of the 24-hour window, you have the ability to send one follow-up message. So like after you do the broadcast, you can send another follow-up message after that. And that's really good for webinars. But to keep it simple, if you're promoting some type of value, you can promote this to the subscription broadcast. And I can send this to all of my people who are on my list. I can also send this to specific people too, and people who are last seen, all types of stuff. So it's really powerful. I can send this now, or I can schedule it for later. It's just basically the same thing as email. And once I'm done, I just click send. It'll be sending. If I choose a date to send it later, say I'll choose March or something like that. Apply, and I can schedule the message to send at that time. So it's really powerful. I suggest testing this out. And believe it or not, when you do send your broadcast emails out, not everybody sees it. Not everybody sees it. And however, if you do send that, I don't suggest stopping sending it on your emails. No, because there's a percentage of people who will see this on this platform. There's a percentage of people who see this on the email platform. And I strongly suggest sending it on both platforms. You just, get your exposed message out there, to more people if you do it that way. So send that message out, and again, don't make it into a super long, detailed message. It's going to require the user to take that much more time to read it. If you're sending it to a super, super warm list, then longer messages can get more consumed. If you're sending it to a semi-cold list, I suggest keeping it short and simple to the point. Now, if you're going to send this message, I strongly suggest, keeping it simple, keeping it interactive, including a video or something or image or something in there, and maybe a small call to action if you want to drive them to a specific blog or drive them to a specific page. So I'll go ahead and try testing this out, and I hope that helped.